In this lecture, we are going to learn about shaft command. First, draw a axis line from origin. Now, draw some random sketch from this axis line. Now, exit workbench. Now, select shaft feature. Go to preview. Now you can see that the shaft command revolve the 2D profile about the axis line in 360 angle. Undo the sketch by Ctrl plus Z. Edit sketch. Now this time give some space between the sketch and axis line and see what happens. Select shaft feature. You can see that the sketch is revolved about the axis line. This will create a gap in between the part. We can change the angle of revolve from here. The angle is 318 degree from here to here. Now give first angle of 180 degree. We can also change the second angle from here. So this was a shaft feature in Catia. It is one of the most important feature of Catia.